Introducing our precision-engineered hydraulic trimming presses, designed for power, accuracy, and reliability. Featuring both 30-ton and 10-ton models, these machines deliver efficient trimming performance for a wide range of industrial applications. HMI, an intuitive interface, reduces setup time, improves operator confidence, and enhances overall machine usability. Load cell, real-time force feedback delivers consistent quality, reduces material stress, and prevents overloading. PLC, this intelligent control system minimizes errors, improves productivity, and guarantees process stability even in high-volume operations. We use switchgears from ABB, Siemens, and Omron. Rejection bin with sensor ensures zero-defect output, improves quality assurance, and reduces manual inspection. Lubricating oil pumps are used to supply oil to lubrication points. In the case of circulation lubrication, the lubricating oil pump takes in an amount of oil from a reservoir, forces it through the lubrication points, and then feeds it back to the reservoir. Float switch with temperature indicator. Intelligent oil level and temperature monitoring protects the hydraulic system and ensures reliable, uninterrupted operation. Proportional pressure relief valve. This results in enhanced control, improved safety, and optimized force application for complex forming tasks. IE4 high-efficiency induction motor, lower power usage, reduced operating costs, and compliance with global energy efficiency standards. Printer, data and traceability. Safety light curtains, maximum safety without compromising productivity, fully compliant with industrial safety standards. Water cooler, stables temperatures ensure consistent performance, extended component life, and reduced downtime. LVDT, precision positioning guarantees uniform results, tighter tolerances, and superior product consistency. A light curtain is a safety device. When an object or person enters the protected area and interrupts one or more of the light beams, the receiver detects the interruption and sends a signal to the control unit.